Good morning, all of you. My name is Sanjay Kumar Patel, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, MLB Textile and Engineering College, Bhilwara, Rajasthan. Here I am going to discuss Module 3rd, Lecture number 7 on cams. Here we have discussed displacement, velocity and acceleration diagram when follower moves with simple harmonic motion. It means that follower motion just like a simple harmonic motion. I have shown the diagram, displacement diagram, that is the displacement diagram of follower, that is the velocity diagram of follower, that is the acceleration diagram of follower. That diagram will be knife edge follower. How to draw the displacement, velocity and acceleration diagram for follower? First of all, we have drawn semicircle of the follower stroke as taken diameter. It means that if you know that the length of stroke, S is the stroke length of follower, then we have drawn a vertical line. That length will be equal to S. If S is very large, then we can scale them and draw a semicircle, and that semicircle divided into even parts. Here you can see that semicircle divided into 8 parts. This length is extended towards right, both up and down. Again we have draw the length of out stroke and return stroke. It means how much angle rotation by the cam and how much angle rotation of cam during the return stroke. First we have scaled them, theta naught and theta r. Here we have taken theta naught out stroke or rise stroke and divide into some equal parts related to semicircle divided into 8 parts, as such as we have divided the out stroke into 8 parts. Here we know that the resting angle of follower, when follower that time is not rise or return, that will be the length of dwell time for cam. After that we have take the angle of returning stroke, which is rotated by cam, and divide it into equal parts, and its parts will be 8. We have divided 8 parts, draw the vertical lines. Here we have divided out stroke into 8 parts, draw the vertical line, and we can see that if semicircle divided into 8 parts and we have extended the point 1 in right side and point 2 in right side, therefore we can see that horizontal line cut to vertical line at point 1, 2, 3, that is 3, 4. It means here represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we can represent 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash. So we have joined the cutting points and get curves such like that. After that, during the dwell time, follower is resting position. Again we can see that the 8 cut into at that point, 7 is cut into that point, 6 is cut into that point, 5 is cut into that point. We have draw a curve at cutting point such like that. We have draw the displacement diagram for the follower. By use displacement diagram, we have draw the velocity diagram of follower. Here you can see that displacement is 0, therefore velocity will be 0. Here follower comes into resting position, therefore velocity will be 0. At mid of this curve, the velocity will be maximum, therefore we have draw the maximum velocity on mid of the displacement curve, and we draw a curve such like that sine curve. We have draw a sine curve like that. We know that during the dwell time, follower is in resting position, therefore there is no velocity, or during the dead time is velocity is constant. After that, during the return stroke, we have draw the similar diagram. In mid of the returning stroke, velocity will be maximum but direction will be negative. At this point, the follower is in resting position, therefore velocity will be 0. Here follower will be in resting position, therefore velocity will be 0. And draw a curve such like sine curve. With the help of displacement diagram, we have drawn the velocity diagram. Here acceleration diagram will draw with the help of velocity diagram, that is the velocity diagram. Here for a short time the velocity will be 0, but at point acceleration will be maximum. Where velocity is maximum, their acceleration will be 0. In that point velocity is 0, therefore acceleration will be maximum. That curve in decreasing position, therefore here is acceleration is maximum but direction is negative. During the dwell time, acceleration will be 0, and after that position is the resting position of follower. Therefore for a short time the acceleration will be maximum, therefore direction will be negative, and at the mid of this velocity is maximum but acceleration is 0. Here velocity is 0 for a short time but acceleration will be maximum. This curve nature will be cosine, therefore we can say that velocity diagram for a follower is sine curve and acceleration is cosine curve. Sine and cosine curve comes into category of simple harmonic motion. Therefore here we have drawn the displacement, velocity, acceleration diagram for follower when follower moves with simple harmonic nature. In last slide we have discussed that things, how to draw the velocity, displacement, acceleration diagram of follower which moves in nature of simple harmonic motion. There is very simple diagram, very easy way to draw the displacement, velocity and acceleration diagram. Here some formulas related to the acceleration. A naught outstroke, that formula is for outstroke. For acceleration, that is the return velocity, or return stroke velocity, or return stroke acceleration. In numerical, we have discussed how to apply these formulas for find out the acceleration, velocity, displacement of a follower.